Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you install an app on iPhone. So at first, just press it down on the app that you want to install. And after pressing it, here you can see the last option, remove app, click on it. Now just simply clicking delete app, you can just install this app. But if you're facing problem simply installing an app like this, you can just install it from your phone settings. Just go to your phone settings now, and now just go to general. Now click on iPhone storage. Now hold on for a few seconds. Now just go to the app that you want to install, and here you can see delete app, click on it. Now just simply clicking delete app, you can just install this app from your device. So guys, that's how you can install an app on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and stay with us by subscribing Tech Team. Thank you so much for watching the video.